Hello students, today we are going to start our English chapter from the book Cornerstone. Our first chapter is kinds of sentences. Before we should understand what are kinds of sentences, we should know what is a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words. What is this? It is a group of words which makes sense. So, a group of words can be anything, but the group of words which I am meaning here, it should make a sense. All the sentences begin with a capital letter and ends with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. So, a sentence, a group of words should make a sense, then only it can be a sentence. For example, my dog is sitting under a tree. So, here the sentence is my dog is sitting under a tree. So, as you can see, this sentence is beginning with capital letter and ending with full stop. So, this is a complete sentence because it is giving a complete sense. So, now there are four kinds of sentences. Assertive sentences, which is also called declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now, what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentences simply state something. Assertive sentences are also known as declarative sentences. It means they declare something. Sentence or sentences that makes a statement is called assertive sentences. For example, I will go to school tomorrow. Now, these assertive sentences always end with full stop. Now, there is another example, I always speak the truth. So, these two sentences are statement of someone to give the information. Next, we have imperative sentences. Now, imperative sentences make request or it gives commands or advice. So, for example, please pass me that book. Now, these sentences also end with full stop. Leave me the room immediately. Our third sentence is you should leave early and reach the examination hall on time. This is an advice. So, all these sentences also end with full stop. Now, you should note this that sometimes imperative sentences end with a full stop, but they may also end with an exclamation mark. Asking questions. So, some sentences interrogative sentences ask questions. Every interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. For example, when will you return home? Why can't I leave now? So, these two sentences, if you notice, these both are ending with question mark. Now, fourth sentence is exclamatory sentences. Now, these express strong or sudden feelings. Now, every exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. You can see here exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful rose. Though the word is sentence is starting with a question word, but it is ending with exclamation mark because it is not stating something, it is not asking something, but it is stating that something is very beautiful. It is expressing the feeling. Oh, what a pity. So, this is also expressing a sudden feeling. So, now we know there are four types of sentences: assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences.